Alright guys, so I've been a little bit on the lazy side and I haven't installed my CB again since I came back to work. And I've had a lot of people ask, how do you put a CB in the Swift trucks? And it's pretty simple. Now in the KW, this is how we do it in the KW. Black is negative, red is positive. I could have been mean and told you it was the other way around, but hey, this actually doesn't tell you. Should have, but anyway, it's pretty simple. And then your radio, of course, is color coded as well, so you just match the two colors up. And I'll do a video kind of talking about how to actually use the CB. But yeah, as you saw, you just kind of drop that through there. Set this in the tray. Kind of use your knee to prop it up. And then Velcro it in place. And that needs to go forward more. Okay. As I look like I don't have my stuff together, let me try to push that forward and into place. Why do you not want to sit right? I had the same CB before. Oh yeah, I remember. Okay, this one just sits funny because the way it's just set up. Okay, never mind. So you Velcro that, and then you just kind of have to hold this, or not. I guess you don't have to hold it. So you just open up these terminals. You're better off always doing the red first and then the black, but unplug that first. Don't plug it in when it's still plugged into your radio, unless you have to. Damn, I want to get a good video, so I guess I'll just put it in my lap. And then now you just basically shove this into the hole. Say that's what she said joke. And some people are gonna say, oh, that's not very funny. You just go, okay, oh, I'm sorry, sue me. And then you just tighten it down. You don't have to torque it like you hate it, or at a dance club, I guess, twerk. But you're just gonna make it fairly tight, wiggle it in, and close it. The wire comes out through the bottom, that's fine. And then tighten it down. And then plug your power cord back in. Now, don't set it to try to broadcast without the antenna plugged in. If you do that with the radio, you could really screw them up. So we're gonna put the PA speaker thing in, and then we're gonna go ahead and plug our antenna in. Once we have that done, before we put it all the way back in the hole, we'll just do a quick test. So line it up. You just kind of shove everything in, and there we go. We'll leave it like that. Turn it on. So I'll turn the volume up and turn the squawk down. So there it goes. So there we go. Squawks down. It's functioning correctly. And you just have to find the magical way that all this wants to fit in there. I'll fit it in there. It's just basically just a lot of messing around. Anyway, that's how you put a CB in. You just keep shoving it in eventually. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, rate, and subscribe. Best video ever.